How do attendees know who will host your next webinar? In this episode, you'll learn how to automatically introduce yourself and other presenters. Log into your account panel. Select Manage Presenters from the menu. Nobody's here? It's time to change that. Click Add New and enter the name of the presenter. Then, enter the email and the title if you wish. Now it's time to upload a photo. Select one from your drive. Scale it and crop it accordingly. When you are happy with the result, click Apply and Continue. It's a good idea to include a short bio in the About Me field. Be sure to paste the links to your profiles so that your participants can easily find you on social media. When everything is ready, click Add. Here's a freshly created presenter profile. These icons allow you to edit or delete it. Before you put it into practice, keep in mind a certain feature that can save your event one day. If you are planning a webinar with multiple presenters and you don't want them to accidentally start or end it too soon, disable this option. From now on, only you, as the organizer, can start and end your events. Just remember to show up on time. Back to presenter profiles. Where can you use them? On the registration page. You will find them here. Add a presenter profile by dragging and dropping it into your registration page. In the waiting room, search for them in the menu on the right. Note that you can add more than one profile. Confirm by clicking Create and Invite. There's more. Go to the Appearance settings and open the Email tab. Now you decide who will appear in your event invitations. Drag and drop the selected profile. You can also remove unwanted presenter profiles like this. Be sure to save your changes. Let's get back to event scheduling. While inviting participants, select Presenters. In the last tab, you will find the presenter profiles you have just created. Select the right one. This way, you can quickly invite your presenters, immediately granting them the right permissions. When choosing an invitation email template, pick the one on the left. The presenter profiles you have just selected will appear in it. Your email will look like this. Make sure to change the profile in the Appearance Settings section each time you want a different presenter to appear in the invitation email. Good luck with your webinar!